Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. We from Group 9 want to present material about binary tree and binary search tree. Okay? Before that, I will introduce our group. Next.
My name is Aji Setiawan Saputra.
And I'm Atif Nur Abdillah.
And my name's Agung Firmansyah.
My name is Kevin Raidafal Gibran.
And my name is Muhammad Najil Arafi.
My name Ahmad Suhendar.
Next. Definition of binary tree. A binary tree is a type of nonlinear tree data structure in which the left and right children as of node can have a maximum of 2 children each. In a binary tree, the lowest node is referred to as the leaf and the highest node as the root. One way to think of binary trees is a hierarchical structure with leaves at the bottom and roots at the top. Next. Term of binary tree. Nodes are where we store data in a tree. It has a reference to point to a child node of is pointed to from a parent node. Root node is the node that represents the topmost node, which is characterized by having no parents. Subtree represents the descendants of a node. Parents node is a node that connects to child nodes and reference only the parents node. Levels are levels where the root node's level is 0. The root node child is level 1, level 2, and so on. Child is a successor on level below a node. Leaf are nodes in the tree that do not have a successor. Siblings are nodes that have the same parent as a node. Next. Binary tree examples, and this is a picture of binary tree in the top right node. Yeah, this is. Next. Representation binary tree. Each node in a binary tree has 3 parts. One is data, two pointer to the left child and pointer to the right child. And this picture about representation of binary tree. Next. Okay, the next is definition about binary search tree. Binary search tree in a special type of binary tree that allows efficient data storage and fast searching. In binary search tree, each node has a specific numerical value, and the main property is that its node to the left of a node has a smaller value than the node, while its node to the right has a large value. Next. Okay, this binary search tree example. There are various case words in the tree data structure such as node. Is each node in a binary tree only has a maximum of 2 child nodes. Calculate the left node and the right node. Root. The node, which is the main point of reference of assessment, has no predecessor. Leaf. Node that do not have a successor. EI. Node that do not have other child nodes. And in the left, there's picture of binary search tree. Yes. Next.
Okay, next, what I will be explain is material regarding types of binary trees based on the number of children. There are 3 types, namely full binary tree, degenerate binary tree, and left or right skewed binary tree. The first is a full binary tree, or we can say an exact binary tree. So why is it called an exact binary tree? Because this binary tree has a clear sequence, or there is no derivative at all, meaning there are no derivative. The secondly, there is a degenerate binary tree. In this case, it is binary tree whose order can go left or right. But the condition is that there must only be one child. If there is only one child, then the third essential binary tree. The third is a skewed binary tree or tilt binary tree. So if this is a binary tree whose nodes are always on the left or always on the right, like the one in this picture. Next, we have a binary tree based on level completion, divided into three: complete binary tree, perfect binary tree, and balanced binary tree. The first is a complete binary tree. This is an example of a binary tree where every level is completely filled except for the last level. Yes, the same as a full binary tree. Then there is something called a perfect binary tree. This one has the same left and right nodes. That's why it has the name perfect binary tree. You can see you for yourself, for example. Next, there is something called a balanced binary tree. So a balanced binary tree is a tree in which the height difference between the left subtree and the right subtree of each node is no more than 1. Simply put, a binary tree is said to be balanced if the difference between the left subtree and the right subtree is no more than 1. Okay, next there is a type of binary tree based on the node value. There is binary search tree, FEL trees, red and black trees. Binary search tree is a node-based binary tree data structure that has the following properties. The left subtree of a vertex contains only vertices with key smaller than the vertex key. The right subtree of a node contains only nodes with key larger than the node's key. The left and right subtree must each also be binary search tree. The AVL tree is a self-balancing binary search tree, in which for any node the difference in height between the left and right subtrees cannot exceed 1. Red black tree. Every node in a red black tree, which is a type of self-balancing binary search tree, has an additional bit that is frequently read as a color, either red or black. In order to keep the tree balanced throughout insertion and deletion, these colors are employed. Next.
Binary tree insertion. A node can be added to the binary tree at any point by either making it the root of the tree or adding it as the left or right child for any other node. Three are the ways to work by binary tree. One, pre-order, in-order, and post-order. There are 3 ways to work the pre-order binary tree is 1, root, 2, left branch, 3, right branch. First, we input number 1 is as the root. Second, we input number 2 because number 1 is a left branch. 3, we input number 4 because number 2 has a left branch. Fourth, we return to number 2 to check the right branch because we have checked the left branch. 5. We enter the number 5 because it is on the right branch. 6. We go back to number 2, then to number 1. 7. Because the number 1 has a right branch, then we enter the number 3. 8. We enter number 6 because number 3 has a left branch. 9. Because the left branch has no branch, we return to the number 3 again. 10. Because the number 3 has a right branch, then we enter the number 7. So the result of the binary tree are 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, and 7. There are 3 ways binary tree works in order. 1. Left branch. 2. Root. 3. Right branch. First, we check the left branch until it has no branch, namely number 4. Second, we turn to the top which is number 2 as the root, so we input number 2. Third, we check to the right branch which is number 5. 4, we go back up again to number 1 as the root, so we input number 1. 5, because the left branch has been checked, we go to the right branch. 6, we check the left branch again, which is the number 6, we input the number 6 into the data. 7, we go back to the top, which is number 3 because it's the node, it's the root, so we input number 3 into the data. 8, we check the right branch, which is the number 7 we input into data. So the result of binary tree in order is 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 3, and 7. There are 3 ways binary tree pre-order works. 1. Left branch. 2. Right branch. 3. Root. First, we check the left branch, which is the number 4. Second, we check to the right branch, which is the number 5. Third, turn it up. That is the number 2 becomes the root, we input the number 2. 3. Turn it up. That is the number 2 becomes the root, we input the number 2. 4. We go back up, that is we check the right branch. 5. We check the left branch again, which is the number 6. 6. We check to the right branch, which is number 7. 7, we go back up, namely the number 3 becomes the root, we input the number 3. 8. We return to the cop, namely the number 1 becomes the root, so we input the number 1. So the result of the binary tree post order are 4, 5, 2, 6, 7, 3, and 1. Next. How binary tree selection works. Selection on a binary tree involves several steps depending on the type of node to be deleted. First, left node. Immediate tail deletes without the need to make future adjustment. Second, nodes with one child. The node is deleted and its child takes its place. Third, node with two children. Usually the replacement node is chosen from the smallest child in the right subtree or the large child in the left subtree, and then the node is moved to the place of the deleted node. How adding nodes to a binary tree works. To insert a new node into the binary tree, you need to 1. Starting from the root, compare the value of the new node with the current node. 2. If the value is smaller, move to the left subtree. If large, to the right subtree. 3. Repeat the process until an empty position is found. 4. Insert a new node and the position. Next.
And here is an example of a binary tree program. As usual, at the beginning of each program, there is always a header at the top of it. And here there is track node which they use to input data into the program later, where share data is used to enter data of type A to Z characters in the data element to be used. Node left is used to input data the position of the node placement on the left, and node right is used to position the node placement on the right. Underneath, there is void function that is used to add a function node if a root is null, which means where the program can be run. if the root data is in position null, new node as a condition for adding a new node function right, left, right, which is the node placement function in the program. Here there is a void preorder function, which is a command that will be used in the binary tree program later with the way cout works, namely that output will read the root as selected data and preorder performs that root command and checks the data to the left side and continues to perform the command to check the data on the right side. Next. And here there is a void in order function, which in another command in the program with the command to check the data to the left side first, followed the root after that checking the data on the right side. And under it, there is still one less void post order function command that will be used for the program which works where the left side will check data after that it continues on the right side and after that to the root. And this is the main program. Feature function to add character elements to the program such as add to Z. Below is the placement of character nodes in programs such as B as root, U derived of the root to the left, D derived of the root to the left 2 times, I derived to the root left 3 times, M derived to the root to the right, A derived to the root to the right 2 times, and N derived of the root to the right 3 times. And below we use the command to cout or output the previous void function, such as preorder, which is root. Because we use the search data from the root first, after that then follow the command from the preorder. Name root left side, right side, in order using the search data. Root first because it used the same search data after the followed by the in order command, namely left side, root, right side. And for order using root the same search data, then continued with the post order command, namely left side, right side, root, with the different commands for each command, whose function is also to display different comments on the output later. Next. And this is which the function of preorder will produce output BUDEMAN in order produce output IDUBMAN, and post order will produce output IDUNAMB. And that's an example of binary tree programs. Next.
There are 3 operations in binary search tree, namely insertion, deletion, and search. First, insertion. Suppose we want to add the value of 35 to the exciting binary search tree, then the method is like this. First, compare the value of 35 with 13. Because 35 is bigger than 13, then point to the child node on the right. Next, we check again. Because 35 is smaller than 37, then point to the child node on the left. We check again. Because 35 is bigger than 32, then we point to the right. Because the place is empty, then we fill the value of 35 in the right direction from node 32. Next. Next, deletion. Suppose we want to delete the value 37, then the method is as follows. First, print the node 10 contains the K37. Next, since this node has two children, print in order replacement. In this case, the replacement is 35. Next, replace K37 with this in order replacement. Next, select the original in order replacement node, which is now duplicate after the replacement. Next. Next, search. Suppose we want to print the value of 6, then the method is as follows. First, compare 6 with the root 8. Because 6 is smallest than 8, it shifts to the left 3. Next, we check again. Because 6 is bigger than 3, then shift to the right. We check again. Because 6 is smaller than 6, then the searches value has been found or same. Next. Traversal binary search tree. Traversal in binary search tree has the same concept as binary tree, which involves visiting all nodes. This traversal technique is categorized into 3 categories. 1. Another traversal is in left, root, and right. 2. Pre-order traversal is root, left to the right. 3. Post-order traversal is left, right, and root.
All right. Next, I will explain how this program works. This binary search tree program has a struct. To form a binary search tree structure that contains data variable to store node values, then contains variables to form the right node and left node. This program has 4 functions, including function for the first, create a new node. The second, insert a node. The third, sort ascending with in-order technique. And the last function, find the value of the node. In the main function, I give the value to the root node with a null value because to check that the node hasn't been formed. So that when the insert function is called, the root will be formed. Then I save the root value into the root variable to be used as a reference to compare node values when doing insertion. Then I want to insert node values including 50, 30, 20, 40, 70, 60, and 80. Then I call the insert function to insert the value 50 as well as the root and save it in the root variable. When check the root has a null value, so the value 50 will be formed by the new node function. Next, insertion stage. Next, insert a value of 30 when checking that the root has a value of 50. Then it will check that 30 is less than 50. So it will execute the left node statement and print the value of 30. Then I want to insert a value of 20 when checking that the root has a value of 50. Then it will check that 20 is less than 50 and will execute the left statement. Then recursively, when the root moves to a value of 30, then check that the value of 20 is less than 30, so the left node statement is executed. And recursive to check, then print the value of 20. Then I want to insert a value of 40. Check that check that 40 is less than 50 and go through the same process as when inserting value 20 and 30. Next, I want to insert a value of 70. Then check that 70 is more than 50. So it will execute the right node statement. Then recursive the function and print the value 17. Then this will continue to repeat according to the concept of binary search tree that if the value is smaller than the root, it will form a node in the left subtree. If the insert value is greater than the root, it will form a node in the right subtree. So the binary search tree will visually form like this. Next, in order sorting stage. At this stage, the search will be carried out with the concept of in-order tracing, the left branch, root, then the right branch. At this time, the binary search tree has been formed, then search the left branch and print the value 20. Then return the root or parent 20 and print 30. Then search the right branch and print the value 40. Then return to the root and print the value 50. Then search the right branch and print the value 60. Return the root, print the value 70, then to the right node and print the value 17. And then 80. So that's the sorting produce. So the in-order technique is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. Next, enter the search stage. I want to find the value of node 40 on the binary search tree. Then check with root 50 and value 40. When check, the value is smaller than root. Next, search type. Enter the search stage. I want to find the value of node 40 on the binary search tree. Then check with root 50 and value 40. When check the value is smaller than the root, so run the left not statement. Then do recursive and the root move to 30. And check again, the value 40 is greater than root 30. Then run the right not statement and do recursive for checking. Then the root move to 50 and check the root is equal to the value. Then the function returns the value and is checked by if-else conditioning. The result is true. Then the if statement will be run. When this program is run, it will appear like this.
Okay, in conclusion, binary tree is a non-linear data structure in the form of a hierarchy, where the data is not stored sequentially but is arranged at each level. This also allows searching, inserting, and deleting data to be more efficient. Binary trees have one root and every node that does Meanwhile, a binary search tree is a special type of binary tree that is designed for data storage efficiency. The node on the left is smaller than the node on the right.
Okay, maybe that's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.